Starting June 2026, a hidden security change inside Windows could silently affect millions of PCs without users even realizing it, and the most surprising part is that your system might already be involved in it right now. If you are using Windows 11, this is something you need to check immediately because it is directly related to your secure boot protection and how your PC verifies trusted software during startup. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about secure boot certificates, how to check if your system is updated, and what steps you should take right now to stay fully protected on Windows 11. So before we begin, if you enjoy tech updates like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechGetter Official with the bell icon turned on so you don't miss important Windows updates in the future. Now let's understand what Secure Boot actually is. Secure Boot is a security feature in Windows that ensures only trusted and verified software is allowed to run during the system startup process. In simple words, whenever you turn on your PC and Windows starts loading, Secure Boot acts like a security gatekeeper that blocks any malicious or untrusted software from running before the system fully boots. But here's where things get more important. Secure Boot doesn't work alone. It relies on security certificates to verify trusted components during startup. And the critical point is that some of these certificates, which were originally issued years ago, are now being replaced with newer 2023 certificates, and the older ones are reaching their expiration around June 2026. Now, what does this actually mean for you? If your system still relies on outdated certificates, Windows may still start normally, but some advanced security protections in the early boot process may not work properly. In some cases, certain security features or third-party components that depend on Secure Boot may also face issues updating or functioning correctly. So now the big question is, how do you check if your system is already updated? The first and easiest method is to open the Start menu and search for System Information or type SINFO. Once it opens, look for Secure Boot State. If it shows On, it means Secure Boot is enabled on your system, which is the first requirement for everything to work properly. Next, most systems will already receive the updated certificates automatically through Windows Update. So go to Settings, open Windows Update, and make sure your system is fully updated to the latest version. In most cases, if you are on the latest Windows 11 build, the Secure Boot Certificate update is already installed in the background without any manual action. You can also cross-check your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's official website. Sometimes BIOS or firmware updates are required to ensure full compatibility with the latest security certificates. But be careful here. BIOS updates are very sensitive, so only proceed if you clearly understand the process or follow official instructions. Now let's move to a more technical but reliable method to verify everything. Open PowerShell as administrator by searching PowerShell in Windows Search, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then approve the prompt. Inside PowerShell, you can run the Secure Boot verification command. If the result shows True, it means your system already has the latest Secure Boot certificate configuration installed. And finally, Microsoft has also added a visual check inside Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app, go to Device Security, and look for the Secure Boot section. If you see a green check mark or a message saying your device is secure, that confirms your system is properly protected and updated. So that's everything you need to know about Secure Boot certificates in Windows 11. In simple terms, Secure Boot ensures that only trusted software runs during startup, and keeping its certificates updated ensures your system remains fully protected against early boot-level threats. Most modern systems that are regularly updated through Windows Update are already safe, but it's still a good idea to verify everything once manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TechGetter Official. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.